Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Rifa'a's wife came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I was married to Rifa'a, but he gave me irrevocable divorce. I then married Abdurrahman bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu, but he has nothing but like the corner of a cloth. He was impotent. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, Do you want to rejoin Rifa'a? No, it cannot happen until you relish his sweetness and he relishes your sweetness. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was then near the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while Hazrat Khalid bin Saeed radiyallahu anhu was at the door waiting for the permission. Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anhu said aloud, O Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, do not you hear what she is saying aloud in the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3512.